Okay, last we need to show that the sine is an odd function. So we want to show that the sine function is odd. So how do we go ahead and do that? Well, what we need to show, the definition of an odd function is the following. It is that the sine of a negative angle is equal to negative sine of the positive version of that. When I say negative angle, I mean the negative of an angle. So if the angle was negative 30, that's a positive 30. So how are we going to do that? Well, let's draw out a picture again. Okay, and let's draw an arbitrary angle. We'll call it theta. So I'm going to draw, so here's theta. Now, this has for coordinates cosine theta and sine theta. Now what we're going to do is we're going to find negative theta. So I'm going to draw that in here. So negative theta. And so this has coordinates cosine negative theta and sine negative theta. Now what we want to show is that the sine of negative theta, this length right here, is the opposite of this length right here. And so if this length coming down here, let's call it y, then if we take the opposite of that, we'll get this length right here. So this proves this identity. By the way, this identity is going to be very useful, not only when we're proving things for trigonometry, but also when you take future classes such as calculus.